All right, guys. Here is what they call a universal washing machine discharge hose. Here is the packaging for it. It's 5 feet long, and I will be connecting it down here. This is where it goes on the bottom left in the back of the washing machine. I'll be connecting this part of it here. And then the other part of the tube, which is flush, meaning it doesn't really have this little groove or anything, I'll be connecting to the other side. And if you've seen any of my other videos, I will be connecting this other side to the bottom of my cast iron sink basin. And here is how this project is turning out. We got this right here where it'll plug in. I've got this tube sitting on top of this one right here. I don't know if you can see that. And then this one here will feed around and it will go down to the main outflow line. Sorry about the bad video quality. I'm just shooting this on my cell phone until I find a better way to do it. I think this will work. I get actually pretty good audio quality. I think the video quality comes out okay, but when I did watch it a few times on my laptop, it seemed to show up as a video that's like a cell phone video. This is most convenient for me to kind of just shoot and go as I do projects. It doesn't take too much extra time out of my day, and I'm hoping that there's something that's valuable for you guys or useful for you to learn on doing your own projects. Or if you want me to help you out or get some ideas, I can certainly be of assistance. If I've sent you a link to my channel, you can reach out to me and see what I can arrange. Have a good day.